59th and State. They just ran into the front door of Churches. Tore the door down. Trying to get to some chicken. Trying to put some tea. Look. Tore her car up. Yes, I am. Yes. They don't tore that door down, baby. They stuck in there. So don't come to 59th and Ashton Churches, y'all. Right, just more, we got to move the steps so don't fall on you. This is damn sure. She wants some chicken bad. Yep, 59th and Ashton, y'all. Don't come down here. I guess they don't.
Nah. So you mean to tell me you crashed out for a $2 special with tax, $2.10? Come on, man. It ain't never that serious. 2 pieces of chicken. They ain't even give you the biscuit and the pepper no more. Crazy.